Thank you for choosing Linguist Access tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to access your online dashboard. We are here in our checkout page, and just go ahead and scroll down at the bottom. You will fill up the information needed. Use the email address that you gave through the Facebook Messenger. Add the coupon code given from the Facebook group chat. You can copy and paste it just to be sure that it's correct. Click apply, and you'll see the success notification. Now head over to place order, and this will take you to the thank you page, and you might want to take note of that journey to your bright future ahead. Click the login link, and it will take you to the list of courses, and you navigate to the course that you're enrolled, and in this particular example, the IELTS Academic and General Training Review. Please take note of your course expiration, and of course, that's good for 60 days. You can now start your online review.
And on the left pane, you can see all the exercises, practice tests, and a whole lot more.
Now let me show you your dashboard. Where you can track your progress, and you can also go back and continue with your course. So that's it. If you have questions, just message us via our Facebook group chat. Thank you for choosing Linguist Access tutorial.
May God bless you with your preparation for your IELTS exam.